We noticed and monitored changes that were happening. At one stage, we noticed that a particular butterfly, or two species that feed on that, but one of the two species was, for every year there used to be, some butterflies are territorial. So the males will mark out a territory and they will patrol that, waiting for females to fly by. And when the females fly by, they go knock them down and try to mate with them. So these are known patrol areas, and every new generation takes up the same beats. So we used to have lunch on the veranda, and outside there was some bushes where these chaps used to patrol. When we noticed one year they were not around, and that was unusual. So we said, why aren't they there? And the next generation also didn't come. And then we found that the larval host plant of that butterfly, the roots were being dug up for medicinal purposes. They were selling to somebody. So somebody had established a center in a nearby village and said that if you bring me this, I'll buy it from you. So the villagers had come to the estate and dug up all those roots, which meant that the butterfly population tumbled. So of course the young plants were still there because they didn't have commercial value roots. So we protected them, shut down this fellow and his enterprise, and the butterfly population recovered. So over the years there were several different instances like this, and we realized by practice that it is easy to judge the health of a forest by monitoring the butterflies, because they come to you. You don't need to go and count the plants, but they are an expression of the variety of plants in an area, and you can monitor the individual plants by looking at the butterflies that depend on them.